There are so many messages out there today, many of which come with fear. And I wonder, how are you using Maddie's message of hope and his work in order to combat those messages of fear so that we have a positive message in the world today?
Yeah, I just started something new. I realized that the struggle I'm having to get the messenger book into media is because it's not, quote, sensational. It's about a peacemaker who, the fact that he was so frail and so young and yet so wise was sensational. But the struggle to make a message of peace sensational, I look at the media. What happened about a week ago was I mentor teens all over the world, which is part of what's in the messenger book.
Yes.
And some of these teens came to Maddie's Park last week. They were being recognized by Hillary Clinton for their peace efforts. As these teens were getting ready to leave, I got a breaking news thing on my cell phone. Alert, breaking news. And it was about the minister in Florida who wants to burn a Koran.
Yes.
The teens who are being recognized by Hillary Clinton last week were all Muslim. And I'm sitting there near tears, hugging goodbye Musa and Anam and Fahim and these wonderful Muslim peacemakers who came to the United States to study a message of peace as offered by an American boy after some of them had to flee their homes in Iraq as a result of American citizens. And it broke my heart because my teens will not make the news because they're not sensational. They're simply peacemakers. So I've decided my new campaign is to get Maddie's 4 Hour World poem that he wrote on September 11th, 2001, when he watched his personal friends perish in the World Trade Centers. I want to get the word out for people to post it on their websites, Facebook pages, Twitter it, or at least Twitter a link to Maddie's homepage, because the poem is on the homepage. I'm starting a campaign, and by the 10th anniversary of 9/11, it is my hope that instead of the motto being rescue, recover, revenge, it's rescue, recover, rebuild. We have to rebuild the mosaic. So if you could help with that,
I would love to.
I would appreciate that. That is my new campaign. Larry King already posted the poem on his website. It's in both Maddie's Just Peace book and his Hope Through Heart Songs book, and you can find it on Maddie's homepage.
Okay, great. Okay.
So that really is that's how this woman's going to change the world.
I love it.
We're going to rebuild. Peace is not about revenge. Peace is about rebuilding.
Absolutely. For our world, we need to stop. Just stop. Stop for a moment before anybody says or does anything that may hurt anyone else. We need to be silent. Just silent. Silent for a moment before we lose forever the blessings of songs that grow in our hearts. We need to notice. Just notice. Notice for a moment before the future slips away into ashes and dust of humility. Stop, be silent, and notice. In so many ways we are the same. Our differences are unique treasures. We are a mosaic of gifts to nurture, to offer, to accept. We need to be, just be. Be for a moment, kind and gentle, innocent and trusting, like children and lambs, never judging or vengeful, like the judging and vengeful. And now let us pray, differently, yet together, before there is no earth, no life, no chance for peace.